In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the scroll bar in Google Chrome. We all know how sometimes those scroll bars can be a bit of an eyesore, especially if they're not blending well with the rest of your window, or if you just want a cleaner look for your browsing experience. So let's jump right in and make those scroll bars disappear from your view on Google Chrome. First, you'll want to open up Google Chrome. Once you're ready, head over to the address bar at the top of the window. Here, you're going to type in chrome/flags and press Enter. This command will take you to Chrome's Experimental Features page. Think of it as a treasure trove of hidden settings that can offer more customization, letting you tweak and experiment with some pretty neat options that aren't immediately available through the standard settings menu. After you've arrived on the Flags page, you'll see a search bar at the very top. Click into that search bar and type Overlay Scroll Bars. This search will help you quickly find the setting we're looking to adjust. It's always a good practice when you're dealing with a substantial number of settings, as scrolling through them one by one can be cumbersome. Once you type in Overlay Scroll Bars, the relevant setting should appear. It's usually named Overlay Scroll Bars. Now, right next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu currently set to Default. Click on this drop-down and change the setting to Enabled. This small action will allow Chrome to handle scroll bars differently, essentially making them less intrusive or even invisible during your browsing. Now, after you've made this change, there's just one last thing to do. Look towards the bottom right corner of your Chrome window, where you should see a blue button marked Relaunch. Clicking this will restart Chrome and apply the changes you've just made. It's crucial you don't skip this step, as Chrome needs to reboot to activate the newly enabled flag. And there you have it. The scroll bar should now be less noticeable or altogether gone, giving you a tidier web page view. Remember, if you ever decide that you'd like the scroll bars back, simply repeat these steps, but this time, set the entry back to Default instead of Enabled, and relaunch the browser again. I hope this little tweak helps you enjoy a cleaner browsing experience. It's always satisfying to have control over how things look and feel as you navigate the web. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tips and tricks to make your tech life just a little bit smoother.